How to convert Exchange migration tool with GainTools software. First, you need to install GainTools Exchange migration tool on your computer and launch it. Then, click on the Browse button and select your EDB file. Now, use the Browse button to select your file destination where you save your file. Click on Add Source button, select Exchange Server Mailboxes and add login details. The added EDB data files are previewed by the software. Select Office 365 file format under Export option. You can also select other option. Users can get a log report of the migration process. Click Finish once it is done. If you need any assistance, then contact us at support@gantools.com.